So you are a beginner woodworker. You finally set up your shop, but instead of clean, organized workspace, you are standing in a never-ending dust storm. Every cut, every sanding pass, boom, more dust. It's on your clothes, in your lungs, and somehow even inside your house. Sounds familiar? Today I'm going to show you the simplest, most budget-friendly way to fix that, so you can focus on building without the mess. This is a simple solution for beginners. Nothing complicated, no over-engineered setups. I used to think dust collection was way over my head. I would see these pro wood shops with massive dust collectors in the corner, tubes running to every tool, and honestly, it looked like another skill set I didn't want to learn. I just wanted to build things, not engineer an air filtration system. But eventually I had to do something. So I started researching and found the simplest, most budget-friendly solution that every beginner or DIYer must have in their shop. My dust problems were 90% solved. Okay, let's break it down. The essential components. Number one is a shop vac. This is the heart of the system. It doesn't matter which brand you choose, just know that bigger ones have more capacity, but even a basic model will make a massive difference. The key is making it easy to use so you actually stick with it. The original shop vac hose is way too short and it's not flexible enough. You are constantly moving your vacuum around and it's annoying. Instead, grab a longer static free hose. You can choose different length, depends on your workspace. I'm gonna have all the links included under this video. Quick connect adapters. Each tool has a different dust port size, but these quick connect adapters solve the problem. One connector you screw onto your hose, another one's attached to different tools, and that's gonna let you switch tools in seconds. At first I had just few adapters, then as my tool collection grew I added more. It's a super simple way to keep your shop clean without overcomplicating things. And of course, as your shop grows you can move on to something more complicated, but this is for the beginners. Let me show you how to use this. Most woodworking tools come with a dust port. With this setup, you can collect dust from your truck saw, just snap the hose on and you are good to go. Sanders, a must-have since they produce fine dust that lingers in the air. Your meter saw, of course, even though it doesn't help 100% with meter saw, but it collects about 80% of the dust it produces. And table saw as well, which is one of the biggest dust creators in your shop. All you have to do is plug the hose onto the tool you are using and let the shop vac do the rest. But even with dust collection, your workspace will get messy. That's why I kept the original vacuum wand from my shop vac. Here is what I do. When the floors get covered in dust, I swap the hose to the wand and vacuum everything up. If a tool doesn't have a dust port, I just vacuum the dust directly after working. And always keep the shop vac in an easily accessible corner. It makes it effortless to grab when needed. You're also gonna need dust bags for your shop vac. Although it can run without the dust bags, but dust bags will prolong the life of your vac and also collect that fine dust, especially from your sander. You're gonna have two choices. White bags, which is cheaper, work well for the basic dust collection, and yellow bags. Cost a little more, but are designed to trap fine dust particles. Both work, but if you want to keep your shop extra clean, go with the yellow ones. This simple setup transformed my workspace. No more endless dust clouds, no more covered clothes, no more worrying about breathing in fine sawdust all day. And of course I'm using mask too. And the best part about this whole system, it's super beginner friendly, affordable, and easy to set up. If you want to clean up your workspace without diving into an overwhelming dust collection systems, this is the way to go. All the links for the hose, adapters and shop vacs are under this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you, bye!